School Rock and Rhythm All Access. Let's watch some of the highlights in the event organized by OPM. Palakasin ang OPM collab sessions last March 14, 2015 in Bonifacio High Amphitheater. The event was attended by some of the well-known names in the Philippine music industry.
Part pa rin ito ng pagpopromote ng OPM para lalo nating mapalakas ito at maitanim no sa isipan sa kamalayan ng mamamayang Pilipino ang ating sariling musika, ang sarili nating kultura.
As an artist, feeling ko the best way to support OPM is to make more music. Kasi parang with every song you make, that's another chance for OPM to parang garner more recognition. Basta make your songs good, produce ka ng produce kasi hindi mo alam kung ano magkiklik, and when something clicks, it takes over airplay. Diba? Kunwari, like yung song na dati, ilang beses ko narinig yun on the radio, and ibig sabihin nun parang ang daming Pilipino na nakikinig pa rin ng OPM. So, make more music, make your music known. That's the best way you can support, and that's also the best way you can entertain people and make them happy. Sa lahat po ng mga viewers na nanonood ngayon, or kung sino mang makapanood ito online or anywhere, guys, please support OPM. There's no issue in supporting foreign artists or international acts, but first and foremost, support your OPM artists kasi napakaganda ng kantang Pinoy, napakaganda ng message, napakaganda ng lahat. Just find that artist that suits you. Sobrang gandang relationship you're gonna have with OPM music, and it's wonderful. So sana supportahan nyo at supportahan ng original, syempre. Huwag mo ibigay ng pirated, ganon. Thank you so much and support OPM.
I've been singing for 13 years, and while I still have the energy, I think it's time to give back to new artists, new project, to support the movement. So yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Hello, ako po si Christian Bautista. In-encourage ko po kayo na makinig pa ng maraming bagong OPM music. Try out new artists, pakinggan nyo sila, and maybe you'll find a closer connection to what we're trying to do here. So God bless you and God bless OPM.
Mga kababayan, sana po lagi niyong tatangkilikin ng OPM. Ito ang musikang nasa puso po natin at lagi natin itong mamahalin.